So I believe I'm right here on this page, but I'm not too sure. And welcome here to the Income Playbook. Yes, your home of the Passive Income Playbook, where we have all the strategies, the knowledge, and the know-how, and we store it all right here in the playbook. Um, you're gonna find a lot of crazy things on the internet. You're gonna see a lot of people trying trying to confuse you because they tell you all the answers back because you'll have the answers. And if you don't come back, guess what? They ain't making no money. So it's a kind of a cat and mouse game that they're doing to you. YouTube is a really good place, to find yourself where you can have opportunity. What I like about it is to say, hey, your hair's too long, you're too fat, you're too skinny, you're too pretty, you're too ugly. I know your mom, I know your dad. I don't know. There's so many things why people don't want to mess with you and give you a job, right? But here at Facebook, over here at YouTube, it's not like that. You're your own creator, and you're in charge of your own destiny. It's not going to be easy, but anything that has a great reward isn't going to be easy. So my advice to you is start. Don't talk about it. Don't put it off. Just do it. There's many ways that you can start off. This is like my first or third face video, but I got a faceless channel, and by doing my faceless channel, when I'm editing and stuff like that, and doing my homework and stuff, what I do is I go ahead and I'm watching videos of people that I really admire and I'd like to be as well as they are on the camera one day. Don't sit there and try to spend a lot of money on stuff. Just if you can spend money on anything, go ahead and get yourself some good drink and some good food, and so you feel content, and go ahead and start recording. Your phone's gonna be fine, your webcam's gonna be fine, and maybe when you get a little bit better, or you got the money to do it. Hey, if you got the money to do it, go for it. Do it. Sheesh. You got a girl, you got a dude. Hey, baby, can you buy me a camera? You'd be like, what? Camera? Yeah. You'll be like thinking you're gonna get a little freaky or something. You know what I mean? You'd be like, yeah, I really want to get a camera. I want to get a camera for you. And they'd be like, what? And then you'd be like, yeah, I just want to get on camera for you. And then they're like, when are you gonna get on camera for me? You're like, I already did. You didn't see me on YouTube. Yeah, there's ways to get camera if you don't have no money. But anyways, yeah, guys, thanks for coming out, and I'm gonna keep this one short because I'm like really nervous and I feel but I feel all right. I feel all right. Not better than the first time, I tell you that. So I'll see you again. All right. And remember, right here at M.R.A, we're here for you, the viewers. Take it easy, guys. Hey, you still here? Go home. Or if you're home, go somewhere else. But you can't be here. Go away.